Friends, wanted to send this quick video. One important thing in life is to make sure that the IRS gets their money on time. There are a few different ways to do that. The ideal method is through the EFTPS system. That requires enrollment, and it might take a few weeks. If you are not signed up and you need to make a payment to the IRS Direct Pay is an awesome system. I did it about 5 minutes ago. It only takes a few minutes to process a payment, and I'm going to take you through those steps right now. What you're seeing on the screen is the link to IRS Direct Pay. It is off of irs.gov. So the first thing when you go to this site is you're going to need to identify the reason for your payment, as well as the form and the tax year. Secondly, you're going to need to verify your identity. This is a nice step because it confirms that the payment is going to hit your account, an important thing. And for that, you're going to need your most recent filed returns filing status, as well as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Now, this would be the information on the primary taxpayer if you were married filing joint. So these are the fields. And thirdly, you're going to need to add the payment information for the account that you're going to have a draft from. You're putting in the amount, confirming the amount, the payment date, as well as your bank account routing number and account number, and you're confirming your account and then the type of account. Really, all you need is a voided check, and you'll have that information. Step 3, you're going to need to get your payment confirmation. And so you're going to enter an email where they're going to send the confirmation to. Make sure that you share that with us by forwarding that to info@kennycpa.com. And step 4 is you're going to sign and authorize that debit with this screen. And then you're going to print your confirmation and again email that to info@kennycpa.com. This is actually step 5. I just wanted to make sure you're paying attention. Take your 15-digit confirmation number and add it to the memo in your checkbook or in your QBO file. Add it there in case you need to refer to it. And that's it. Boom. Real quick. I think it's an important thing to obviously pay the IRS on time. And if you're not set up for EFTPS, which is the ideal way, IRS Direct Pay is an awesome alternative.